Okay, Culinary One, this is Miss Jarvis. I'm going to show you how to cost your recipes as a quick reminder if you forget. Okay, so first of all, you need to find out prices. I suggest you go to Hy-Vee's Aisles Online and log in. Do paplv.foods@gmail.com. Password is monarchs with capital M, #1. Okay, now that you're here, let me show you my recipe cost template that's filled out a little bit. Okay, so say we're doing it for a steak breakfast bowl. Name's Miss Jarvis, right? The recipe makes 4 portions, which if you're doing like an all recipe, I can show you where to find that. Okay, so right here it says the number of servings. It says 4 servings. Okay, so that's like the same as number of portions. And then if it tells you how big a serving size is, then you can put it down. Otherwise, it doesn't matter here as much as this matters over here. Okay, so I got my stuff that I need over here, and then I wrote down the amount that it calls for in the recipe over here. Now I'm going to start looking up prices. Okay. Shredded cheddar cheese. Oh, need to click shop, I guess, and Aisles Online first. There we go. Okay. Shredded cheddar cheese. Come on, internet. Oh. All right, so while we're waiting for that, down here with eggs, okay, most recipes call for count, like they say 3. So you would put after here, you put CT as in count, like 3 count. For spices, you can just put Q factor in all of these boxes to let them know that it's being calculated in the Q factor. Okay, you do not have to calculate the cost of spices. I don't know what's going on with the internet right now, but let's say it's 16 ounces is the how big the bag of cheese is, how much cheese is in it, and let's say the cost is $2.99. Okay, how to figure this out? You need to take the cost divided by the purchase unit. Okay, so I'm going to take $2.99 divided by 16. And I get 18.186. So I'm going to do 0.19 is what I'm going to round it to. So 0.19 cents, and it's per ounce because we have ounce here. And it still isn't working. Okay, so, all right, so let's say steak, you purchase it in a 16 ounces. Say it says 1 pound. Okay, you got to change that to 16 ounces. You got to do the equivalencies because our restaurant because that calls for 16 ounces. Okay, the cost is $7.99 per pound, and we bought 1 pound. Okay, so the unit cost is going to be in ounces. We're going to take $7.99 divided by 16. Now it works. We get 50 cents is what we will round that up to per ounce. Okay, let's go onion. Oh, come on. Whatever. Eggs. It comes in a 12 count package. 1 dozen does. It's 12 in a dozen. Okay, and the purchase cost, let's say it's $1.89. So $1.89 divided by 12 is 16 cents per egg. So you do 0.16 times count. Let's say onion, it's 89 cents a pound. So we're going to do 1 pound, 16 ounces. And it's 89 cents per pound. Okay, so we're going to take 0.89 divided by 16. Okay, so it's 6 cents is what I'll round that up to. So 6 cents per ounce. Okay, we have all these things except for potatoes, I guess. So we can do, you know, it's $1.99 a pound. Okay, and so $1.99 then we bought a pound because we don't need more than that. So I take, oops, that doesn't go there, sorry. 1 pound, great. So $1.99 divided by 16. Okay, 12 cents per ounce. Okay, now we take this times this. So 19 cents times 5, so oops, 0.19 times 5. We get 95 cents total. Okay, we're going to take 0.5 times 10, which I shouldn't need to do. It's $5. And I can do that one in my head. 0.06 times 1.5. Okay, 9 cents. Okay, 0.16 times 3. 48 cents. Okay, we just put Q factor here. Okay, and then 0.12 times 8. It's 96 cents. And I'm going to add all these together. So 96 cents plus 0.95 and plus $5 plus 9 cents plus 0.48 cents. Okay, $7.48 for the total amount. Okay, and then here's where we calculate the spices is the Q factor. You times this number here, the subtotal, by 1%, which is 0.01. Okay, you should be able to do that in your head, but it's okay if you can't. So you times 0.01. Okay, it's 7 cents. So you add these two numbers together, it's going to be $7.55, I think. Hold on, math. Okay, cool, I'm right. All right, so the total recipe cost $7.55. Now here comes where the portion cost is a big deal. There's 4 portions, so we're going to divide $7.55 by 4, the portion amount. Okay, so divided by 4 is 180. 189 is what that's rounded to. Round that to 189. Okay, so then you just need to figure out this one. Remember, to figure out 33% food cost, you take 189 times 0.33, the 33%. Okay. And then, wait, that's wrong. What did I do? Oh, no, it's divided. Oops. I'm not going to re-record this, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so we'd round this up to 579 or like 589, or you can just do 599. You want to round it to, so you put it's 527. Oops. I mean 572. Superimpose those numbers. 572, and then you can put in parentheses 599 would be the menu price. Or you don't even have to put this part. You can just put this on your menu. All right, that's how you do it. Thanks, guys.